Okay guys, we're going to play right now. I just got my goggles and my shorts. Oh, dude, it's literally flooded. I got the wide view on there now. Bruh, dude, that tunnel's gone. And actually, back in the day, when there wasn't so many nutrients in here, this place would actually sometimes be this deep. Since the nutrients has gotten so much shallower. Like, look at that. This is a whole freaking board right there. If there's all these like this, there would for sure be thick fish in here. And guys, if you saw the other video, the other shorts that were posted, that place right now is crazy. What? Like, oh yeah, this, when it was deeper, this was definitely underwater. This bridge ain't doing nobody justice. Look at this, guys. Like, this is insane. Oh yeah, this underwater for sure. Like, there's one time where this was flooded. There's mosquito fish just chilling right here. But anyways, guys, let's get to the good parts. Guys, when the road right here was underwater, this was pretty much underwater right here. Pretty crazy. Oh, this is where I should jump. Right here. What is that? Anyways, let's cut to jumping. Before I go in this freezing cold water, I want you guys to hit the subscribe, like, for this. But also, I'm gonna do a little GoPro footage, see if we can see any fish under there. Y'all see anything? That is freezing. Shit. Yo, okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I freaking jumped. Like and subscribe. See you guys soon. Peace.